Hello students, how are you? Let's continue our study of hydrogen spectrum solved question about Lyman-Balmer Paschen series etc. So let's see some questions. Question number 2. What will be the longest wavelength line in Balmer series of spectrum? So question number 1 you can see in the previous video. Now we are starting with the second question. We have to find out the longest wavelength line in Balmer series of spectrum. So we know the formula and we will use the formula. We must know that the longest wavelength means the lowest energy, and we know that relation for wavelength 1 upon lambda equal to frequency equal to r 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Here n1 equal to 2, n2 equal to 3, because we are talking about Balmer series. For Balmer series n1 equal to 2. RH Rydberg constant we know 109677 centimeter inverse. We will put the value in the formula 1 upon lambda equal to 109677. In bracket we will fill 1 upon, for n1 we will fill 2 square minus 1 upon 3 square. So when we solve it we will get the number 15233. So then to find out lambda we will solve lambda equal to 1 upon 15233. It will come in this way 6.56 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter. When we convert it into meter we get 6.56 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter, and when we want to find out in nanometer we have to bring it in 10 raised to minus 9, so then it will become 656 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter, that is 656 nanometer. Next question, question number 3. Which of the following is true? Option A, Lyman series is a continuous spectrum. Option B, Paschen series is a line spectrum in the infrared. Option C, Balmer series is a line spectrum in the ultraviolet. Option D, the spectral series formula can be derived from the Rutherford model of the hydrogen atom. So students, in order to solve this problem we must know about the hydrogen spectrum. We have studied, you can find out in my previous video that it is not a continuous spectrum, so option A is wrong, and also it is not about Rutherford model, so option D is wrong. And we know that Balmer series falls in the visible region, so option C is also false, so option B is correct. Paschen series is a line spectrum in the infrared. This is the correct answer. Next question, question number 4. An electron jumps from the fourth orbit to the second orbit of hydrogen atom. Given the Rydberg constant r equal to 10 raised to 5 centimeter inverse, the frequency in hertz of the emitted radiation will be 3 upon 16 into 10 raised to 5, 3 upon 16 into 10 raised to 15, 9 by 16 into 10 raised to 15, 3 by 4 into 10 raised to 15. We have to find out the frequency in hertz. So we have the formula 1 upon lambda equal to r z square 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. For hydrogen the formula becomes 1 upon lambda equal to r 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Here n1 equal to 2, so when we fill the value 1 upon lambda equal to r 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon 4 square. We are talking about Balmer series, so n1 equal to 2. So when we solve this formula and this we will find out 1 upon lambda equal to 3r upon 16, lambda equal to 16 upon 3r, and value of r we have to put 16 upon 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter. And now we know that the frequency n equal to c upon lambda. So n equal to c upon lambda equal to value of c 3 into 10 raised to 10 centimeter per second, and lambda value 16 by 3 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter. By solving it, we find 9 upon 16 into 10 raised to 15. This is the right answer. So out of the given options, option C is correct. Option C is the correct answer. Now we are going to the fifth question. Question number 5. The wavelength of the radiation emitted when in a hydrogen atom electron falls from infinity to a stationary state is. So for your help, the Rydberg constant value is given here, R equal to 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 meter inverse. From infinity to a stationary state means from infinity to n1. We have to find out the wavelength. So 4 options are given here. Let us solve the question by applying the formula, then we will get the answer. Now this equation, very important equation, you have to remember it. 1 upon lambda equal to r in bracket 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Here n1 equal to ground state and n2 is infinity. So we shall fill the values. 1 upon lambda equal to r bracket start 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon infinity square. 1 upon lambda equal to r. Here 1 upon 1 means 1 minus 1 upon infinity means 0. So 1 upon lambda equal to r, lambda equal to 1 upon r, value of r is kept here 1 upon 1.097 into 10 raised to 7. It comes to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 8. That means 91 into 10 raised to minus 9. So 91 nm. So this was the answer, and out of the given option, option D is the correct answer. Thanks a lot for watching the video. You should solve such questions yourself to get more confidence and speed, and I hope you will be able to get some tips or hints from this video. Thanks a lot once more. Take care.